What does accuracy measure? The answer is option B, correct predictions over total. Accuracy equals correct predictions divided by total predictions. What is precision? The answer is option A, TP per teranewton. Precision focuses on relevant predictions. What is recall? The answer is option B, TP plus fluorine monophosphide. Recall measures sensitivity of the model. What does F1 score combine? The answer is option A, precision and recall. F1 is harmonic mean of precision and recall. What is cross-validation used for? The answer is option C, reducing overfitting. Cross-validation helps prevent overfitting. Which data type is mutable in Python? The answer is option C, list. Lists are mutable. What does len data return? The answer is option B, 4. The string data has 4 characters. What does the below expression do? The answer is option 3, replaces 2 with 5. It updates the element at index 1 to 5.